Welcome to Real Easy Cooking with Robert. I'm Robert.
And this is Ed.
And today we're making a hot ham and cheese sandwich. We're making the proper hot ham and cheese sandwich.
And the short, real quick, easy way.
Yep, the real easy cooking way also. That'll be sandwich number 2. So let's start with this first one. We start with good quality bread. I got 3 cheese, semolina bread, I don't know. There's fancy bread shit at the grocery store. Take a knife and you cut off some. We want to get down into the good part, so we're going to cut off a chunk and use this later on when we make some bruschetta. Trick to cutting bread. Serrated knife is to saw, not to push. That thick, and put the rest of it back in the bag. We'll save this for later. Now, we have to put some butter on one side and some mustard on the other. Which do you want to put on? Yep, well, mayonnaise, that's what I mean. We have to put mayonnaise down first. Spread that out on there. It's a thin coat of mayonnaise. While you're doing that, I'm going to put some mustard on. Notice I said mayonnaise and not Miracle Whip, because Miracle Whip is salad dressing and we're making a sandwich, not a salad. And on this side, I'm putting on some parchment mustard. You need some help with that?
Yep.
There we go, just a thin coat. And save that for later also. Now we want to put a piece of American cheese on the mustard.
Can I put mine on?
You can put it on. If I get it out of the bag.
And can I have one just for me?
Yes. How about that? Put that on the one side.
This one is a little broken.
Yep, that's fine. That's fine. Being broken, it will melt. Put it on there. Trust me. You put it on the edge there. We got room for the extra part, and you can have what's left. How about that? Don't want to scale us up because you're going to like what we're doing next. What we're doing next is the ham. American cheese, and I got some Munster cheese. This cheese, you'll find, doesn't have a whole lot of flavor by itself, but when you heat it up, it melts really creamy. So we'll take a piece of this and we wrap it up like that. Do you want to try one? Do you want to try doing that? Grab just one piece and fold it over. Yep. And fold it over. And fold it again. And put it lay down right there next to that one. So it's nice and flat.
Can I also have some meat?
Yes, I'll give you a piece of meat because we're gonna have to get more out of the package anyway. I'm gonna show you got 5 pieces instead of 4. You want to fold this one? And put it on there. I'll get you another piece of meat. Alright, now we got this all folded in and nice. We're going to put a piece of American cheese. The leftover half piece of Munster across it. Fold this on top with another piece of ham right across there to seal it all in. That'll make it all yummy. Heat up our stove.
It's actually a little cold over here.
Now, while that's heating up, we can talk about the sides we're going to have with this. I prefer soup with the sandwich. Soup and sandwich, they always go good together. That's why they're called that. A good soup should not overpower the flavor of your sandwich. So we're going to have baked potato with bacon. Potato soup with bacon. You can't go wrong with it. Especially once we add some extra cheese to it. Pull the lid off. Get rid of the lid.
Good flow. And can I flip it over?
You can lift the can. Oh, now it becomes a little bit more difficult. You can't really do that twice, can you? And we want 2 cans of soup because we want to mix it up. So just pour that, and it did splash a little bit. Yeah, that's why I like the other method better, huh?
You made the kids.
We can put that on the stove. A little warm heat. And once again, the soups, I find this one will need more pepper in it. So we're going to add some mixed pepper. If your pepper isn't freshly ground, it's not pepper, it's just brown dirt. These grinders are cheap. The peppercorns to put them are cheap. Everyone should have one. Stir it up with a spoon so it's all mixed in and let it cook and warm up. That's all it really has to do is warm up. It'll get a little thinner then. And we can serve that with our sandwich. By now the skillet should be good and hot.
Don't you mean pan?
So we want to add a little butter to that. Grab a knife.
Can I bottle?
Oh, sure. You want to do it? Just a couple dabs. I'll do it. About like that. Just a little skim of butter.
Now can I eat some butter?
No, that'd be gross. So we slap that in the pan. While it's sizzling, I'm going to add a little butter to this side too. The butter, the mayonnaise, the mustard, all that just adds moisture in it because moisture is what conveys the heat to the actual sandwich. Turn down the flame nice and low. Or very low.
Not wife favor. Very lid.
Clear lid to keep the steam and heat inside so they can help melt everything without burning it. And what that's doing is stir your soup. Because if your soup burns, it's terrible. It doesn't burn as long as you keep stirring it. And now we wait a few minutes.
Can I eat this?
Yes, you can have a piece of ham. Perfect color. Put the lid back on, let that sit 5 more minutes or so. Stir our soup, keep it nice and warm. Not like it's hard to make. Open the can, add some extra pepper. How was your ham?
Great.
How was the cheese?
Yeah.
You like soup, right?
No.
No!
Not that type anyway.
Oh, you'll like this one. This one will be good. I promise you, because we're gonna add stuff to it to make it even better. And let me get a bowl so I can show you. Alright, sandwich is looking pretty good on that side. So we're about done here. Are you done with your cheese, Ed?
Not yet.
Well, hope you save room for your sandwich, because here it comes. Look at that. There's the reveal. Normally I'd cut it diagonal, but I wanted to show you all how I layered meat with cheese in the middle of the Munster. Cooks all the way through really nicely. You know it's extremely hot right now. It's really good. Soup time. And take the soup. Add a little soup to the bowl. Open the bag of Wisconsin-made cheese, because we do live in Wisconsin, and if your cheese ain't from Wisconsin, it ain't cheese. Add a little cheese to the top. We already did this, so we don't have to do it again, right?
Yep.
But it is bacon potatoes, so add a few bacon bits to the top for a garnish. I'll get you a spoon. Do you want to try some, Ed?
No, no way.
Here's a spoon.
But
I'm going to try some.
But I would like some bacon bits.
Nope, only comes in the soup. That's the rules. You want to try some?
No.
Do you want to watch me try it then? That's really good. That's really good. I like it with the extra cheese. It goes with the sandwich. Do you want to try a sandwich now that it cooled down? Try some of it. Try that. Those look good, huh?
Yeah, it is.
That's a proper way to make a hot ham and cheese sandwich. Now we're going to make the real easy cooking way. Let me clean up this mess and I'll get that ready in just a second. All right, welcome back. So now that we still have the perfect bowl of soup from the first sandwich, we're going to make
another sandwich.
Hot ham and cheese sandwich, the real easy cooking method. So we take 2 pieces of bread, sliced bread, because that's the best thing ever made with sliced bread, right? That's what they compare everything to. Some mustard, Plotchman's of course, because if it's not Plotchman's, it's for shit.
Yep.
So we do that, and then we put a piece of cheese on each side. Piece of cheese. You want to put some cheese on there? American cheese goes great with mustard. And put one on that side then.
But not mixed with vanilla type cheese.
Sometimes.
Trust me.
Sometimes
I tried
it
it
does.
not with Subway. Not with Subway at all.
Nothing's really good with Subway, but that's my opinion. Not sponsored by Subway. Subway sucks. No one should eat Subway.
Yeah.
Happy Gilmore.
I know what I say instead of Subway eat first? I say Subway it gross. Subway it gross.
All right.
Because that's
Put some ham on there. Have an extra piece for later. Put the lid on. And now, to make it hot, we go to the microwave. we put in the microwave for 15 seconds. And we watch.
I'm watching too, you know.
The miracle of modern technology. Now, you think it's done? It's not. It's half done. Flip it over. Do another 15 seconds. Flipping over prevents it from getting super soggy, from getting cold spots. Makes it all melt more, be all steamy. And you hear that happy popping sound right at the end. Now let's cut this open and see how this bad boy tastes.
Bad boy.
Here's a sandwich.
I
Knife.
That bad boy.
Steaming hot. Too hot for you, huh? Because you like your sandwiches colder? That's real good. All right. You ready? Want to try some? It's not that hot.
No.
And we're back. So now, to recap, because his wife also wants a sandwich. A little bit of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise for the adult version, which is also the non-microwave version, is so you can add lettuce. Obviously, you do not add lettuce to the microwave version because lettuce gets really nasty in the microwave. No one should eat microwave lettuce. Ever. So we just break off some lettuce and put it on there. Add some mustard. Once again, Plochman's, because if it's not Plochman's, it's for shit. I guess I can put the lid back on the mayonnaise. Yes, mayonnaise. Not Miracle Whip, because Miracle Whip is salad dressing and I'm not making a salad. Now, for the ham, on mine, and just add 3 or 4 pieces of ham, whatever you think is a good amount. I'm gonna add 4 because I'm a growing boy. We're gonna add on the wife's. She wants something slightly different. So we add 2 pieces of ham, and then you add some turkey. The beautiful part is that ham and turkey both go well together. If you notice, I put the ham down first on the cheese side because the extra grease of ham goes better with the extra grease of the cheese. And the turkey marries better with the lettuce side. And then you can just fold it over. And once again, you can fold it over. Put the wife's on her plate. And she's good to go. And I'm good to go. These are 2 simple sandwiches. Well, 3 sandwiches. This has been Real Easy Cooking with Robert and Ed, and we're done.
Done.
I'm a growing boy.